Many people believe that becoming fluent in English is impossible without a teacher. They think they need expensive classes, private lessons, or someone to guide them every step of the way. Because of this belief, they keep waiting instead of learning. But the truth is much simpler. Thousands of people around the world have become fluent by learning on their own. They did not wait for perfect conditions. They built the right habits, stayed consistent, and improved one day at a time. Learning English without a teacher is not about studying harder. It is about learning smarter. Today, you have access to more learning opportunities than ever before. Your phone alone can become your classroom if you know how to use it wisely. In this video, you will discover 7 practical lessons that can help you become a confident English speaker by yourself. If you apply these lessons patiently and consistently, fluency will no longer feel like a distant dream. Lesson 1. Become the leader of your own learning journey. Many English learners spend years waiting before they truly begin. They wait for the right teacher, the right course, or the perfect opportunity. While they are waiting, they are not learning. The truth is simple. Your English will improve the moment you stop depending on someone else and start taking responsibility for your own progress. A teacher can guide you. A course can help you. A book can explain grammar. But none of these things can learn English for you. At the end of the day, your progress depends on your daily effort. Many successful English learners became fluent without expensive classes because they decided to become responsible for their own learning. They practiced regularly, stayed curious, and kept moving forward even when progress felt slow. Today, you already have powerful learning tools around you. You can watch English videos, listen to podcasts, read articles, use free learning apps, and practice speaking by yourself. Years ago, learning without a teacher was much harder. Now the resources are everywhere. The challenge is not finding them. The challenge is using them consistently instead of waiting for perfect conditions. Imagine someone who wants to become stronger. Reading about exercise is useful, but reading alone will never build strength. Real progress begins when they start exercising every day. Learning English works the same way. Knowledge becomes valuable only when it turns into daily practice. From today, stop asking, "Who will teach me?" Instead, ask yourself, "What can I do today?" Learn a few new words, listen to an English lesson, or practice speaking for 10 minutes. These small actions may seem simple, but they create lasting improvement. Remember this carefully. The moment you take ownership of your learning, you stop waiting for success and start creating it. That decision is the first and most important step toward becoming fluent in English. Lesson 2. Build an English habit that never breaks. Many people believe they need long study sessions to become fluent in English. They study for several hours one day, then stop practicing for the rest of the week. After a few days, they forget much of what they learned and feel disappointed with their progress. The truth is simple. English fluency is not built through occasional effort. It is built through consistent daily habits. Your brain learns best through repetition. Every time you listen, read, speak, or write in English, your brain strengthens its memory of the language. When you practice only once in a while, your brain has little chance to build those connections. But when English becomes part of your daily routine, learning feels easier and more natural with every passing week. Imagine watering a plant. Giving it a large amount of water once a month will not help it grow. It becomes healthy because it receives a little water every day. Learning English works in exactly the same way. Small daily practice creates stronger results than long study sessions that happen only occasionally. Create a simple routine that you can follow every day. Spend 10 minutes listening to English, 10 minutes reading a short article or story, and 10 minutes speaking aloud. Choose a regular time that fits your schedule, whether it is in the morning, during lunch, or before bed. A simple routine is much easier to maintain than an unrealistic study plan. Some days you may feel motivated, and other days you may not. That is completely normal. Successful learners do not depend on motivation. They depend on habits that keep them moving forward even on difficult days. Remember this carefully. Every day you practice adds another small step toward fluency. Those small steps may seem ordinary today, but together they create the confident English speaker you want to become. Lesson 3. Make free resources work for you. Many people think learning English without a teacher is difficult because they cannot afford expensive courses. They believe better learning always requires spending more money. As a result, they delay their progress while waiting until they can pay for classes. The truth is simple. Today, some of the best English learning resources are completely free. What matters is not how much you spend. It is how wisely you use what is already available. The internet gives you access to thousands of English lessons, podcasts, articles, stories, dictionaries, and learning apps. These resources can teach you vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, listening, and speaking. But having many resources is not enough. If you keep switching between different apps, videos, and websites every day, you will become distracted instead of making real progress. Imagine someone entering a library with thousands of books. If they read only a few pages from a different book every day, they may finish nothing. But if they choose one good book and read it consistently, they will learn much more. Learning English follows the same principle. A few quality resources used regularly are far more powerful than hundreds of resources used occasionally. Choose 2 or 3 trusted learning resources and stay with them. Watch one English lesson each day, listen to a simple podcast, read a short article, and use a dictionary whenever you discover a new word. Keep your learning simple and focus on understanding instead of collecting more materials. Consistent practice always produces better results than endless searching. Remember that free resources are only useful when they become part of your daily routine. Every lesson you watch, every article you read, and every podcast you listen to brings you one step closer to fluency. Learn to use the resources you already have, and you will discover that your phone can become one of the best English teachers you have ever had. Lesson 4. Train your ears with English every day. Many English learners spend most of their time studying grammar and memorizing vocabulary, but they rarely practice listening. Then, when they watch an English video or hear someone speaking, everything sounds fast and confusing. This often makes them feel that their English is not improving. The truth is simple. Before you can speak English naturally, your ears must become familiar with the language. Listening is one of the most powerful ways to train your brain. Every time you hear English, your brain learns new sounds, sentence patterns, pronunciation, and common expressions. At first, you may not understand everything, and that is completely normal. You do not need to catch every single word. Focus on understanding the main idea, and your listening ability will improve little by little. Think about how children learn their native language. They spend months simply listening before they begin speaking. They hear the same words and sentences again and again until they become familiar. Learning English follows the same process. The more your brain hears English, the more natural the language becomes, and speaking starts to feel much easier. Make listening a part of your everyday life. Listen to English podcasts while walking, watch short English videos during your break, or play simple stories while doing household tasks. Choose content that matches your level so you can understand most of it without feeling frustrated. Listening to the same lesson more than once is also a smart habit because every repetition helps you notice something new. Remember this carefully. Every minute you spend listening is preparing your brain to understand and speak English with greater confidence. Stay patient, listen every day, and trust the learning process. Over time, English will stop sounding like a foreign language and begin to feel familiar, comfortable, and much easier to understand. Lesson 5. Speak even when you are alone. One of the biggest reasons many learners never become fluent is that they keep waiting for someone to practice with. They believe they need a teacher, a native speaker, or an English-speaking friend before they can improve. Because of this, they spend months studying grammar and vocabulary without actually speaking. The truth is simple. You do not need another person to become a better English speaker. You simply need to start speaking. Speaking is a skill, and every skill improves through practice. Reading about swimming cannot teach someone how to swim. Watching football matches cannot make someone a great player. Real improvement begins only when you start doing the activity yourself. English works exactly the same way. The more you speak, the more comfortable and confident you become. Waiting for the perfect speaking partner only delays your progress. Start by talking to yourself in English every day. Describe what you are doing, explain your plans, or talk about something that happened during your day. You can also read short articles aloud to improve your pronunciation and speaking rhythm. Another helpful habit is recording your voice for 1 or 2 minutes. When you listen to yourself, you will notice what sounds natural and what needs more practice. Every recording becomes an opportunity to improve. Do not be afraid of making mistakes while you practice. Every fluent English speaker made mistakes while learning. Mistakes are not signs that you are failing. They are signs that you are using the language and giving your brain the practice it needs. Confidence does not appear before you start speaking. Confidence grows because you keep speaking. Remember this carefully. Every sentence you speak strengthens your fluency and builds your confidence. Practice a little every day, even when you are alone, because the learner who keeps speaking is the learner who eventually becomes a fluent English speaker. Lesson 6. Turn English into part of your everyday life. Many learners think they can improve their English by studying for a short time each day, and then forgetting about it until the next lesson. They treat English like a school subject instead of a real communication skill. As a result, they make progress very slowly because their brain spends most of the day disconnected from the language. The truth is simple. The more English becomes part of your daily life, the faster you will become fluent. Your brain learns best through regular exposure. Every time you read a message in English, watch a video, listen to a podcast, or think in English, you strengthen your understanding of the language. These small moments may not seem important, but together they help English become more familiar. The more familiar English feels, the easier it becomes to understand and speak naturally. Imagine moving to a new city. At first, every street feels unfamiliar and confusing. But after walking the same roads every day, you no longer need to think about where to go. English works in the same way. The more often you see and use it, the more comfortable your brain becomes with words, sentences, and common expressions. Start bringing English into the activities you already do every day. Change your phone language to English. Read short articles during your free time. Watch English videos instead of scrolling endlessly. And think about your daily plans in English. Use English to search for information, learn new skills, or explore topics that genuinely interest you. When English becomes a useful tool instead of just a subject, learning feels much more natural. Remember this carefully. Fluency is not built only during study time. It grows every time English becomes part of your daily routine. Surround yourself with the language, use it whenever possible, and let every ordinary day become another opportunity to move closer to confident and natural English. Lesson 7. Keep going until fluency becomes reality. Many people begin learning English with great excitement. They watch lessons, learn new vocabulary, and practice every day. But after a few weeks, they feel that their progress is slower than expected. They still make mistakes, forget words, and struggle during conversations. Because they cannot see immediate results, many decide to give up. The truth is simple. Fluency is not achieved through quick success. It is achieved through consistent effort over time. Learning a language is a journey that rewards patience. Every new word you learn, every English video you watch, and every sentence you speak is helping your brain grow, even when you do not notice it. Progress often happens quietly. One day you suddenly understand a conversation that once seemed impossible, or you speak a sentence without translating it in your mind. Those moments are the result of all the practice you have already completed. Think about planting a tree. During the first few weeks, it may not seem to change very much. But beneath the ground, the roots are becoming stronger every day. After enough time, that steady growth becomes visible. Learning English follows the same pattern. Your daily practice is building a strong foundation, even when the results are not immediately obvious. Keep your attention on your own progress instead of comparing yourself with other learners. Celebrate every small achievement, whether it is understanding a short video, learning a few new words, or speaking with more confidence than yesterday. These small victories keep your motivation alive and remind you that you are moving forward. Remember this carefully. Fluency does not belong to the fastest learner. It belongs to the learner who refuses to stop. Stay patient, trust the process, and keep practicing every day. If you continue moving forward one step at a time, the English you dream of speaking today will eventually become the English you use naturally every day. As we come to the end of this video, remember this. You do not need a teacher to become fluent in English. You need the right mindset, the right habits, and the willingness to practice every day. Take responsibility for your learning, build a daily routine, use free resources wisely, listen often, speak regularly, make English part of your life, and stay consistent until fluency becomes your reality. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who is learning English. Tell me in the comments which lesson changed your thinking or the one you will start using today. If you want more practical lessons to help you speak English, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.